This is a map file for fCraft, a custom Minecraft server. It defines the world blocks. You load it into the server software, not the game client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you where to put it. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful FCM file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. An FCM file is associated with both fCraft and forwarding. In the context of fCraft, it is a configuration file used by the fCraft Minecraft server software. In the context of forwarding, it is a configuration file used to define port forwarding rules. The dual nature of this extension requires context to determine its specific usage. FCM files are typically plain text files containing settings and parameters used by the associated software. For fCraft, these settings may include server properties, world generation parameters, and plugin configurations. For forwarding, these settings may include port numbers, IP addresses, and protocol types. The file format is usually human-readable and editable. For the FCM file type, fCraft from fCraft.net is a trusted and reliable source. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows cannot preview gameplay resources, so accessing them must be done through dedicated tools. Your first step towards data access. Right-click the FCM file and select Open With. If fCraft is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the FCM file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, check connectivity. Ensure you are connected to the internet and have the correct host address and port settings for the server. Next, verify login credentials. Check your caps lock status, retype your username and password, and confirm your account is active with the client service manager. Finally, check client version. Check for available software updates marked with an asterisk, as these are critical to proper application performance. The inability to open a FCM file often points to an identity crisis, where the extension name doesn't match the file's true internal structure. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure, rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the FCM file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video. We appreciate your engagement here.